Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel, and today we are doing as promised in the previous video that from now on I will be covering C language star patterns. So here is the first pattern and it's an easy one. It is to print a simple rectangle. So let's begin the coding, and I will also show you the difference between a triangle or between a square and a rectangle. A square has all sides equal while a rectangle has two sides equal and those which are parallel. So first of all we are doing the coding for rectangle, then I will do some amendments in the same code to show you the coding for a square. So let's do the coding. Declaring our initial variables that are int I, j, rows and columns. I will be taking user inputs for the rows and columns. So let's do this. Printf, enter the rows, scanf, percentage d row. Similarly for columns, enter the columns, column. Now I'll be using nested for loop, as we know that for one row we are printing four columns, so that's why we are using nested for loops. So let's do that also. For I is equals to 1, I is less than equals to row, I plus plus. Now nesting the loop for j is equals to 1, j is less than equals to column and j plus plus, and now simply printing our star. Now to move on to the second line, we are printing an /n \n. So I find no errors in this code. So let's run this. F11, enter the rows. For a rectangle we are doing so 5 rows and 4 columns, and here it is. You can see a rectangle has been printed. To make it more convenient, we can take some other values also. For example, 3 rows and 9 columns. Now it looks more like a rectangle now. So I hope you found this video interesting and helpful. One thing I wanted to show you regarding square, that a square has all sides equal. So in case of square we will take n value, and I am taking it hard coded, and you can also take user input also. So I am taking it as 4, just little bit amendments, and and that's it. So what has semicolon, that's the square. You can see all sides equal, 4 rows and 4 columns. So I think you found this video interesting and helpful. So stay tuned, as from now on I will be covering some difficult triangular patterns, including those of pyramids and Christmas tree types. So stay tuned for more videos. Take care. Goodbye.